created a viral AI influencer that gets millions of views without ever showing my face. Here's how I did it and why you should too. As a content creator, I was burned out from filming daily videos. The pressure to show up on camera every single day was killing my creativity. Then I discovered Imimic Elite. This AI platform lets you build realistic virtual influencers that can talk, trend, and engage audiences across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. I created my first AI character in under 5 minutes. No cameras, no actors, no editing skills required. The AI voice sounds completely natural, perfect for product reviews and educational content. Within weeks, my faceless channel hit 6 figures in views. The best part, I can create multiple videos daily while focusing on strategy and monetization instead of production. Imimic Elite handles trending formats automatically, so your content stays relevant. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, coach, or complete beginner, this tool levels the playing field. Stop letting camera shyness hold you back from building your online empire. Click the link below and start creating your AI influencer today. Your faceless success story starts now.